Hi web developers, today I will show you how I learned Angular in 2 months. It seemed like an impossible challenge at first, but after you following these steps, it seemed like a piece of a cake. So before getting start the video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's get into the video. Start with basics. So learn the syntax and concept of Angular such as components, directives and pipes. Components are reusable piece of code that can be used to build user interface. Directives are used to add functionality to HTML elements not something like elephants for legs, elephants, elements. Okay. Pipes are used to transform data. Once you have a good understanding of these basics, you can now interact with Angular environment, how it works. Now you can good touch feel about that with Angular. Now you can start building your own Angular applications. There are many resources and available online to help you learn Angular, such as Angular documentation and Angular tutorials. Official Angular website is the best option you can learn if you are a complete beginner. So go into the Angular website, then you can find out a lot of information and a lot of projects suggest for you as a beginners to learn something. So you can also find many Angular communities in Decode and Reddit and Bluelearn, Indian startups, or share some sort of communities. Then you can chat with expertise in web development, Angular. You can ask questions from them just free, and Angular developers among this concept. So second one is build an app. So once you have a basic understanding in Angular, and you can still build a simple app to practice your skill. This will help you to solidify your understanding of the framework and learn how to use real world applications. And there are many different types of apps you can build. So you choose something you passionate about it, or you can interest to build it. Some ideas simply include, I can say, how weather app, to-do list, calendar, and file dragging. Build games, something like TikTok, and what are the things, rock paper scissors, very interesting games you can try out. So if you once you have chosen to app to build, start by breaking down into smaller tasks. This will make you seem like a daunting and will help you to stay on track. If you're trying a big problem, you want to break down into small things. That's a good thing to achieve big dreams, and so you want to break down the smaller parts, any project or any. That's how real life Angular web developments are working. So it's a good thing to practice from in your teenager. And don't afraid to ask help from when you get stuck. There are many resources available in online. So asking question is very important, because if you have any question, please don't be fear to put questions, and any feedbacks about my video I will answer 100% sure, because I'm very startup YouTubepreneur. I'm also considered not a hobby, because I consider this YouTube as my business. So I always try to give my 100% for my customers. Customer is my king. So don't afraid to ask questions, put negative feedbacks. That will make me strong for the more. So building simple app is a great way to learn Angular and and start building your portfolio application. So what are you waiting for? Get to start to learn Angular, and start today is the best option. Number 3, use online resources. There are a lot of online free platforms, edX and Coursera, Udemy and W3 schools and Angular official website and Angular universities. Wow, lot more resources available online. The only thing you want to learn is hungry to learn Angular. Okay, there are many great online resources. Angular and Angular.io, Angular CLI. What is the CLI? Command line interface. Okay, Angular.io is the official website to Angular where you find documentations and tutorials, examples. Angular CLI is a command line interface that can be used to create image Angular project, manage Angular projects. In addition, these official resources there are many other great online resources for learning Angular. Here are some few examples: Angular University, Angular Cheat Sheet and Angular Blocks. And join Discord community. You can download Discord and search Discord communities, or you can search on Google. Then you find out some sort of communities that only discuss on Angular. Very important part. And joining community is a great way to connect with others and Angular developers and great help to project. There are many online communities such as Angular subreddit, Angular Discord server, Angular Gitter channel. I already mentioned about that, and a great place to ask questions. Share tips, learn from other developers because they are already made their mistakes. Then you can avoid that mistakes from learn from others, so you can minimize the mistakes and you can reduce the time that you gone. If you tried hard, if you 60 hours work per week, no, per day, and 7 days every month, in 1 month, then you can achieve far more faster than me, because I just finished Angular in 2 months. But if you tried yourself hard, you can finish it in just 1 month. So just try it, don't give up. So here are some benefits of joining Angular communities. You can connect with Angular developers, get help with your projects, and you can learn from other developers and improve yourself. You can share your knowledge, help others. You can stay up to date with latest Angular news and developments. If you are looking to improve your Angular skill, joining community is a great way to do it. There are many help supporting communities. There are you find out the good fit for you. There are a lot of communities available here. You find a good and best available in community. The final most important part, what's that? Yeah, you are right, you already know. The practice regularly is the best way to learn something. Or not, Angular is common for everything. So Angular, the more you use it, more you handle by just typing a one word to other. Then you can remind them, you can recall every day, so you will become an expert on Angular. So yeah, it's harder, but if you try it, you can do it. Better will you become at it. Build more apps, experiment with different features, experiment with what you did mistakes, and better understanding how it working. You can also find many helpful resources online, such as tutorials and documentation. That's the end. It's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, because your single subscribe and single like and otherwise your comment also make me strong that make me very heartful because you are enjoying my video and you are learning something from me. So don't forget about to subscribe my channel. So that's all for today.